Hey guys, I'm coming back with another CPR design revive, and this is just a quick revive to show you how you can make a big difference by making a small change. Now right here I have my coffee table, and I love to put together different heights and size vases, and this right here is something that I really enjoy doing in multiple spaces in my home, and I've been doing this for so many years, and I just felt like I like the greens, but I feel like I want to switch it up and do something a little different. It's not that they're extra bold or a lot going on, but because they are sort of like all in the same family, you can't tell through the camera, but they're different tints of green. But I want to take one and take it to the next level. So let me show you what I'm going to do. I would suggest that you wipe this off with alcohol or alcohol wipes and then rub it off with a paper towel. That way the flat paint can adhere to it much better. Well, it's still wet, but I can't wait to see how it looks once it gets dry flat and we put it back where it belongs. Alright guys, so there you have it, and that is what it looks like, just from a minor refresh, just to shake things up a bit and make it a little bit not so uniform. So I love it. So basically all I did was use a can of flat Rust-Oleum black paint, and it bonds to wood, metals, and more. So yeah, that's all I did. And this is $3.89 at your local Walmart. And look, I just noticed they even have a vase on here. That's all I did was use that, and I made the pieces on the table pop and look totally different just by making one small change. And I think that this is another great CPR design revive. If you enjoyed it, make sure you comment below. If you have any questions, leave them below. And if you are new to the channel, join my family by subscribing to the channel and hitting that notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. And guess what, guys? I will see you guys later, Gators.